Okay, so this is the new series that I am starting in which I will be sharing the success stories that I am finding across internet. My request to you is listen to these stories once or twice every day to increase your beliefs on law of attraction, on manifestation, which will ultimately speed up the whole manifestation process for you because your belief increases as much as you watch the videos. So today's success story is how I manifested my soulmate. So, this is a success story that I found on Reddit. The story was anonymous, so let's call the writer as Nandita. So, Nandita writes, I was in a toxic relationship and finally ended it. I let myself mourn for some time until I felt ready to move on. Once I felt like I wanted to go back to being in a relationship, I reread Ask and It Is Given by Abraham Hicks to remind myself of my power and boost positivity. I then took some pen and paper and wrote down a list titled My Ideal Boyfriend and lots of bullet points detailing what I want him to be like. Some of the things that she wrote is kind, caring, loves animals, has a positive and happy personality, and loyal. And lots more that I can't even remember anymore. Basically, everything I could think of that I wanted from a boyfriend, I wrote down. Then I read the list several times and imagined how I would feel if I was with such a person. I embraced the feelings of love and happiness and let myself feel them for as long as it felt natural and good. When I got bored after a few minutes, I didn't force myself to continue but simply put the list away in a drawer and went about my daily life. I didn't read it again or think about it again. I was also open to meeting someone in any time frame. I wasn't in a rush and I didn't feel lonely as I enjoyed my own company and focused on myself and my hobbies. The next day, I felt inspired to sign up to Tinder. I spoke to a few people, but it didn't feel like anything special. Fast forward 2 more days, I get a message that made me laugh and feel warm inside. We talked later that day online, then met a day later. I just knew it was him because of how I felt when I am talking to him. We have now been together for nearly 2 years. From the moment of making the list and feeling the love to first contact, it was only 3 days. She's been with that boy for 2 years. That the day she made the list, after 3 days, she found her other half. So, this is a short story that tells us you don't have to force yourself to do manifestation, right? You just have to go with the flow. If you don't feel like doing it today, don't do it. It's fine, right? Don't force yourself to feel a certain feeling. Just be in discipline, but at some day you feel like not doing it, it's fine. And as I always say, before attracting anything, you have to heal the emotions, the negative emotions that you have for your current life, for your current goals. And for that, I conduct online sessions to heal people's emotions so that they can attract anything they want in their life easily. It becomes very difficult if you're trying to attract some goal when you are living in the past, having past negative emotions. So, healing is very important to heal those emotions and then continue to manifesting your other goals, which also becomes fast. And sometimes, what happens is if you don't heal your previous negative emotions, the thing that you will manifest will come to you but will not be with you for a long time. It will come and go. So that is very important. You should first heal your emotions and then proceed. If you want to join the healing session, the link is in the description of this video.